In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MongoDB with Studio 3T. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up MongoDB in conjunction with Studio 3T is extremely simple. To do this, you will have many ways to start creating the connection. So when you have your connection string ready, click on the Connect button and then New Connection. Alternatively, you can also find the same option on the Quick Start, or finally in the My Resources sidebar. You can right-click Shared Connections and then Create New Connection. Now, once you see the New Connection prompt, you will paste the string here. Paste the connection string and then click Next. Studio 3D will automatically extract the information and pre-populate the fields in the Server, Authentication, SSL, SSH, and Advanced tabs. Make sure that you save it for later use if you prefer, and you will be good to go. So all that you have to do is grab your MongoDB URI or connection string from their interfaces. If you aren't sure how to do this, a manual is provided alongside MongoDB. And Studio 3T supports two connection string formats, standard and DNS seedlist. So connect them as you see fit, and they are going to be properly integrated into Studio 3T. You have other ways, for example, importing connections from Robo3T, NoSQL boosters, and other clients, and you can manage all of them here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.